welcome to this tutorial of the Pixo Epic Premium theme from Pixo Web Design and Strategy. My name is Jamie Johnson. I'm going to be walking you through this tutorial on how to use the Pixo Epic Premium theme on your website, including how to install it and how to use some of the premium add-ons that come with the theme. Right now on your screen what we have is a Concrete5 installation that's just a brand new installation. And I'm going to show you how to install the theme on your website, and then after that we're going to walk you through some tips and techniques on how to use your theme to create just an amazing website experience for your website visitors. As I mentioned before, right now we've got just the basic installation here. What I'm going to do is first show you how to upload the theme to your server. This is an FTP software that right now we're logged into this new installation of Concrete5. I'm going to first go into the www directory. Typically that's where your Concrete5 installation's going to be. If you need instructions or help on installing your theme or setting up Concrete5 for your website, please visit us at www.pixoinc.com and mention this video and we'll give you a special discount for installation services. So I'm going to go into the www directory for our Concrete5 installation, and here we can see all of our Concrete files installed on this server. Next, what you'll do is go into the packages folder. Now this website is a brand new installation, so there's nothing in this folder. If you've got an existing website that you're installing the Pixo Epic Premium theme into, you may already have some folders this directory, and that's okay. What you'll do is you'll just take the theme epic folder here that's on your server and add it to the server. Now right now what's happening is the files are uploading to the website. What's included in this package is not only the theme for the website, but the add-ons that are included. When you install the theme on the website, it'll also install the add-on functionality with that, which includes the slideshow, the form templates, and so forth. So now all the files are up here on the server. I'm going to come back to my browser. I'm going to go to Dashboard, Install. And here we've got waiting to be installed the Pixo Epic Premium theme. At this point we just click Install. Gives us a little notification that the package has been installed. At this point we'll come up to Dashboard, View Full Dashboard, and then click on Themes. Now at this point we'll see a listing of all the different themes that are installed on this website. We'll click Activate for the Pixo Epic Premium theme. It gives us a message, apply this theme to every page of your site. We'll click OK. Now at this point the theme will be applied to our website, and we've got the theme ready to be set up with content and slideshows and all those fun things ready to be added. What I'm going to do now is go to, so now we've to the website with the theme already set up. Now at this point I'm going to show you how to use some of the pieces that come with the Pixo Epic Premium theme, including the add-ons. The first thing I'm going to show you here are all these little social media icons. The Pixo Epic Premium theme pre-installs 18 of these different icons that you can add to this sidebar tab. You can also add images of your own choosing, such as an order now image or something along those lines. I do recommend using an image on these little sidebar tabs. If you need a tutorial on how to use Concrete5, again, please go to pixoinc.com to watch a full tutorial on how to use Concrete5. We're not going to be covering that in this video. But to add some additional icons, you'll see there's separate blocks that we've added these different icons to. Right now you'll notice it's kind of interfered with our slideshow, so I'm just going to scroll down a little bit to get that out of the way. I'm not going to click on this empty block and choose on that first option here. Now once we add a block, we're going to choose an image block. We click on Choose Image, And here in the file manager, we've got a number of different images that are already uploaded, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a Instagram social media icon. Now once we've chose that image, we may want to have it link over to our Instagram page. So what we do is put in here the full URL for that Instagram page that we have. And then click Add. Quick and easy to add social media icons to your website, and a powerful presentation that will stay front and center in front of your users. Some other functionality that comes with the Pixo Epic Premium is the Slideshow. Slideshow is commonly used on the home page, can have a powerful effect on internal pages to make a great presentation to your users. What we'll do first is we're going to upload our slideshow images, and then we're going to add them to file sets to group the images together so we can display them on our slideshow. So the first thing we'll do here is we'll come up to our file manager, and we're going to choose some images to add to our slideshow. I'm going to add this box 3 image. Click upload. Now at this point, what we're going to want to do is create a file set. Again, a file set is a way that you can group images together, and then what we're going to do is for the slideshow, we're going to say, okay, display the images that are in that file set. So I'm going to click on sets here. I'm going to create a new set that's called Slideshow Test, and I'm going to click update. So this new image has now been applied to that slideshow test. Now I'm going to grab a second image, and I'm going to click upload. Click on sets. Now we've already got our slideshow test created, so this time I'm just going to have to check that box. Now that we've got the set created, I'm going to come back to the home page, and at this point I'm going to click on an empty block. I'm going to choose Add Block, and I'm going to come down here to the Flex Slider. The Flex Slider is one of those add-ons that come pre-installed with the Pixo Epic Premium theme. So I'm going to click on that. Our different file sets that are available to us are going to be listed here. So here's our slideshow test. The display order for the images you can choose. You can choose the file set order or a random order. I'm going to choose a random order. And then for the size options, we can use keep original size, shrink proportionally. Shrink proportionally is what you're going to want to use on that big homepage slideshow. What's going to happen with it is as your browser window expands and contracts, the slideshow will expand and contract with it to fill the space. And what that allows to do, because this is a responsive mobile-ready website theme, is on a smartphone device such as an iPhone, it's going to take that slideshow and make it really super friendly for the iPhone. And if a user is on a big desktop, it's going to allow that that slideshow on the desktop to fill the full space, and so we'll have a great user experience for your site visitors. The last option is crop to fit, and what crop to fit will do is it's going to take whatever area or size that the slideshow is in, and it's not going to proportionally resize it. It's just going to crop the images to fit the space that's available. So I'm going to, in this case, choose keep original size because my images are relatively small. I'm going to click add. Now once our images are added, we'll see we've got a little small block here. When I publish this, it's going to go nice and big where we can actually see our slideshow embedded within the page. So a great little tool that comes free with the Pixo Epic Premium theme. Super great user experience by being able to have some interactive slideshows. Each slide can have its own click-through URL, and I'm going to show you how to add the click-through URL in just 1 second here once the page is completed publishing. For whatever reason, it's taken a second. So now that our page is finished publishing, we'll see that we have a nice little slideshow area here. In just 1 second, that's going to transition. So now that this is published, we'll see that in that nice space there, we've got a nice little slideshow that's displayed to our users. So again, great little tool to be able to add slideshows to the website. If we come back up here to the file manager, I'm going to show you how to quickly add a click-through URLs. To add a click-through URL, you simply go to the slide that you want to add the click-through URL on it. If you come down here to slide URL, if you click that, you can type in the full path for where you want that slide to link to. You can link it to any page on the website. You can link it to another website. Once you've typed in the URL, you simply click the little button to the right. Now we've got a great little slideshow link. So if we come back over here to the home page, we'll now see, if we click on the second slide, which we added the link click-through URL to, we can now click on over to pixoinc.com. Another great add-on that's included with the Pixo Epic Premium theme is the PicMonkey. Here is a fantastic tool that if you don't have editing software or you need an easy way to crop or resize images on the website, you just simply come in here to the file manager. You can then click on any image, simply click edit, and what's going to happen here is PicMonkey, which is an outside service, is going to be brought right into your window. So let's say you needed to crop this image. You say, you know, I really want to cut off that extra white space. Simply click crop. Here you can put in your width and your height, or you can just simply drag this to the space that you want it to be. So if I click apply, we'll allow it to just crop that image. If I click save, it's going to now send that image back to my Concrete5 website. And right here, our image is already cropped. If I want to resize images, which is a common function that you need to do on a website, you know, you've got a great photo that you've taken, but you need to make it a size that's appropriate for a certain block on your page. We can scroll down here to resize. Again, great tools that we can use, and I can resize this to 200 by 130. I can keep it proportional or not proportional. Click apply, click save, and voila, the image is sent back to the file manager and ready to be used on the website. So great handy little tool to use on the websites. Third, great little add-on that we've got pre-built in with the theme is the Pixo form templates. A lot of times you need to add forms into the sidebars of your website, but the form block that comes with Concrete5 is often quite wide. Once you've got the label and the text field, it often doesn't fit in the space that you've got for a sidebar. So here's a handy little way to create a great little form, and you just use the regular Concrete5 forms to create this. So you can come in here, say, okay, what's your name? We're going to say, what's your email address? And we're going to ask for some comments. And then we're going to add that form to this page. And you see it's kind of going off the page here, and particularly if I had labels that were even longer than what these ones are, you know, this would go shooting off the page. So what we simply do to fix that is we click on Custom Templates, and then with the Pixo Form Templates add-on that's installed, I've got a label inside which is going to put these labels inside the form blocks, which greatly reduces the space. I can do the div base, and that's going to put the label above the form. And both of these are going to create these forms as tableless, ready to be styled forms. And so if you know CSS or have a developer that can work with CSS, you can style these forms any way you want. So great improvement on how we display forms on the website. So quick and easy, look how much space we just reduced there. Creates a great user experience and handy in a lot of different ways on the website. Feel free to poke around the Concrete5-themes.com website to see different page types that are available to you. Other great functionalities such as the custom menu. And if you ever need help with customizing your Pixo Epic theme website anyway, where you need some custom templates, or if you need different functionality installed, please let us know at pixoinc.com, and we'd be more than happy to customize your website for any way that best suits your needs. One absolutely amazing thing you can do with the Pixo Epic premium theme is you can choose your own colors for pretty much anything on the website. So the headers and the page titles and so forth, that's super easy to do. Basically what you do is you come up here to dashboard, click on view full dashboard. Then we're going to go into the page themes. And then here in the settings, we click on customize. Here we get a full palette of different things that are customizable. So if you've got a certain company color scheme, or you want the website to match your logo colors, extremely easy to do. You just come up here, choose on the color palette. You can put in RGB colors, you can put in hex codes for your colors, and then from here you can just simply choose the colors that you want to have added. Click OK. Once you're done, you come down here and click Save. Now if we come back over here to the main website and we refresh the page, we're going to see those new colors applied to our website. So again, make it any color you want, match your look and feel, create a great website using the Pixo Epic theme. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at pixoinc.com, or if you have any customizations you need to have done, let us know and we'd be glad to help you.